Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials. Update Windows and confirm the DirectX runtime is present so the game can call the right APIs. Next, update your GPU drivers using the vendor's installer and choose the clean install. This removes corrupted shader caches that often cause crashes. Once done, run the game as administrator and set compatibility to Windows 10 to bypass permission or legacy API mismatches. These first steps remove the most common DLL and permission issues, so deeper fixes are meaningful. Now you validate and repair the game installation so missing or corrupted files aren't the culprit. Use the launcher's verify or repair option to restore game files, and then delete the shader cache and local config. Inai so the game rebuilds clean settings. If crashes persist, force the DirectX version. Edit the launcher's command line to use DirectX 11 or 12 because some drivers handle one version better. Make sure to restart your PC after each change to ensure the new files and settings load properly. Finish by reducing GPU load. Set a lower preset, disable ray tracing and motion blur so the engine doesn't hit driver bugs. Then install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ and NET runtimes because missing runtimes can break DirectX calls. If the crash started after a recent driver update, roll back to the previous stable driver version. This often resolves regressions introduced by new driver builds. If it still fails, one key troubleshooting tip: capture the crash log or DXDiag and consult community crash threads to match error signatures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.